If you find yourself in a situation where you don't know how to make money, it's essential to start with learning and acquiring new skills. Here are some steps you can take to get started. Self-education. Begin by educating yourself about different ways to make money. There are numerous resources available online, including articles, videos, courses, and books that can help you understand various opportunities and strategies. Identify your interests and strengths. Reflect on your passions, interests, and skills. Assess what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. Explore online opportunities. Look into various online methods of making money, such as freelancing, content creation, online tutoring, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, and more. Take small steps. Start with simple and low-cost methods to test the waters. For example, if you enjoy writing, you could try creating a blog or offering writing services on freelance platforms. Networking. Engage with online communities and forums related to your interests and potential money-making methods. Networking can provide valuable insights, advice, and even potential opportunities. Join online courses. Participate in free or paid online courses that teach skills relevant to making money online. Many platforms offer courses on entrepreneurship, digital marketing, coding, and more. Volunteer or intern. If you're struggling to find paid opportunities, consider volunteering or interning in a field that interests you. This can provide valuable experience and potentially lead to paid opportunities later on. Embrace continuous learning. The online landscape is constantly evolving. Stay up to date with industry trends and new opportunities. Being adaptable and willing to learn will be beneficial in the long run. Seek mentorship. If possible, find a mentor who has experience in the field you're interested in. They can provide guidance, advice, and help you avoid common pitfalls. Be patient and persistent. Making money, especially online, usually takes time and effort. Stay persistent, be patient with yourself, and don't get discouraged by initial setbacks. Remember that there are no guaranteed shortcuts to making money, especially if you're starting from scratch. It's essential to be cautious of get-rich-quick schemes or opportunities that promise unrealistic returns. Genuine methods of making money will require effort, learning, and consistent dedication.